Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how to earn money doing what you love. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. 1. Freelance Writer. If you're captivated with writing and assured on your capacity to supply first-rate work, you have to keep in mind turning into a contract writer. Check out websites together with Freelance Switch, Odesk, Upwork, and Article Teller to look a few first-rate possibilities which have come available. If you are truly ambitious, you may even begin a weblog and generate profits from the distance you promote for advertisements. 2. Personal Trainer. Are you a health buff who loves operating out? If so, you must remember turning into a private instructor. Now that we've equipment like Skype and FaceTime at the scene, you may without problems speak head-to-head with customers, even supposing you're masses of miles apart, assisting them set health goals, prescribing exercise workouts for them, and presenting comments on their progress. If you're now no longer already certified, you'll need to attain certification as a teacher first, after which, as soon as you've carried out so, you need to sell yourself and the offerings you provide on diverse channels of social media, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. 3. Artist. Don't purchase into the stereotype that announces a profession with inside the arts method turning into a ravenous artist. You can truly generate a quite first-rate profits promoting your works of artwork from domestic, way-to-web websites like Etsy that function a web market for manufacturers and clients of artwork. CafePress is some other internet site on which you could promote your artwork. 4. Product Tester. If you're clearly into devices and also you revel in scoping out the ultramodern and best ones at the scene, you have to remember getting paid to test out those devices via way of means of turning into a product tester. People who are open to checking out and advertising merchandise are truly an excessive call for at a variety of companies. Check out websites like SheSpeaks.com, HouseParty.com, and CrowdTap.com for possibilities that can help you attempt out merchandise and make cash from domestic. 5. Teacher or Tutor. Love coaching, however love the concept of coaching beyond from a domestic to your pajamas even greater? Look into turning into a web teacher. Various states have their very own structures of digital public schools, and even as you should undergo a few lessons and schooling earlier than you get started, the power you get with being capable of train from domestic is properly really well worth it with inside the end. If tutoring is greater your thing, you could additionally test the internet site Tutor.com to discover possibilities to offer help with math, science, music, etc. Whatever subject you excel in, possibilities are, someone should use your assist in that area. So thanks for watching. And if you are new, please make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications just so every time I upload you won't miss anything.